buenos noches, buenos dias. How are you guys? I hope you guys are well. This is just a quick video about how I styled and installed this bob wig. If you are new here, hello and welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, gracias amiga. Thank you so much for coming back. I am so happy to be doing another video, and it's a bob wig this time. But we'll get into everything about this 54-pound wig in a second, okay? It's got a bit of sheen there, you know? It's bouncy, very light, and it's giving life. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into it. So from the offset, this is how the wig is looking. I did pluck it off camera, and here's just a bit of a close-up so you can see just how I customize the hairline. It's not too dense, it's not too thin either, kind of just in the middle. So I'm just going in with my wax stick, smoothing out those edges. And then after I've done that, I just go in with my hot comb. Now, my real hair is already... My real hair has been slicked back. I folded, guys. I'm so sorry. I ended up relaxing my hair. And I know your girl said she was not gonna do that, but she did that. Okay, so now I've done that. That's what the hairline looks like. I'm just taking it off the wig head. So as usual, I'm gonna just take off some baby hairs because that's a bit too low for me. Now I recommend plucking them out, not ripping them out, because if you rip your lace, ain't no going back, but I take risks. Could do a young cute little, you know, all back. That's kind of cute, a little side part. I was thinking to go for a middle part. And one thing I will say about this wig, I wasn't very happy when I got it because I don't know if you can see because I've dyed it now, but this part was so thin. Like you can see that it's thinning out at the back in comparison to the front. And I was just like, Aliexpress, what are you guys doing? What are y'all doing? Okay, so next step to cut this lace, because this lace is really poking my eyelashes. Part from behind and come down. If this wants to open up, that would be great. On camera, this lace looks quite transparent, light brown transparent, but in real life it looks very brown and I am scared. I will say as well, with this lace, I wasn't also impressed because it was really thick. I'd worked with this wig before and it really wasn't a problem. But like I said, I know there are a lot of issues with lace. There being a shortage of lace and clearly a shortage of my glue. So far, this is what we're looking like. Time to take off this band. Whoa, oh, hey. You know, you can just feel it pulling from side to side. You just gotta be slow and gentle. Going in with my wax stick to get all those flyaways down. I'm just going quick and bump this. Okay. If you see what this table is doing right now, or the tools on this table, if you see what they are doing right now, you'll be scared. Anyways, this is the finished look. I am serving Bob, life, Bob, bubble head in fact. But this is really cute. This is super, super cute. As I say, behind the ear. Bit of volume, you know, boom. Oh, okay. The volume said relax. But I do like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Adios.